of us. Here's Carol.
Thank you, Billy. Good morning. Well, this week generally is looking calmer than we've had of late. That wouldn't be too difficult right enough. Doesn't mean it's going to be bone dry. It will be wet at times. It will also be windy at times, but not as stormy as we have seen. Low pressure today is driving our weather. It's quite a flabby low. If you look at the isobars, you'll be so used to me saying they're tightly packed. Well, they're not today. The strongest winds will be in the southwest. We could even have coastal gales, but even so, again, I stress, not like last week. That low pressure is also bringing in a lot of cloud, and the cloud is bringing in some rain, also some showers and some drizzle. But tomorrow, a drier slice, and then as we head in through the latter part of Wednesday, we see more rain coming our way as the next low pressure comes in. So this morning, we've got some fog first thing in the east, we've got drizzle, then we run into showers, then we run into the rain. Across Scotland, well, we'll have accumulations at lower levels at times of rain, sleet and snow, but it shouldn't prove to be disruptive. The wind picking up in the southwest, but it's largely going to be strongest close to the coast. And for Cornwall, it will dry up through the afternoon, but still all this rain coming in across Devon and Somerset and into South Wales. Some parts could see as much as 20 millimetres. For Wales too, in the north, some showers, and for Northern Ireland, you're going to have rain on and off as we go through the course of the day. And when it's off, it will be fairly cloudy. Also quite a wet day across Scotland. A lot of cloud. I've mentioned the rain, the sleet and the snow already in the Highlands and Grampians. And then as we come across the north of England, a lot of cloud again with some showers or some rain. For East Anglia in the southeastern corner, we could see a little bit of sunshine, but as we drift closer to the front, that's once again where we run into the band of rain. And here it is as we go through the course of the evening, curling around the centre of that low pressure, continuing to push into the North Sea, but it's going to be wet across Scotland tonight, also Northern Ireland and also Northern England. There's also going to be a fair bit of cloud around, so this coming night won't be as cold as the one that has just gone. We start tomorrow on a fairly cloudy note. Again, still wet across Scotland with some snow in the hills. Wet for a time across Northern England and Northern Ireland, but that tending to peter out. There will also be some showers across the south, particularly the Midlands, the southeast and East Anglia. But many of us will miss them. However, if you do catch one, the likelihood is that it will be heavy and possibly thundery. Then as we scoot into Wednesday, again a nice dry day for most of us. Again, some bright spells, some sunshine. This is what we saw in the satellite picture. The next area of low pressure coming our way. That will introduce more rain from the west initially and windy conditions. But I stress, nothing like we saw last week, and certainly not like some of us saw through the course of the weekend. Lou and Billy.
Thank you, Carol, for that little bit of